catalog, and we went ahead and ordered the Sport Ride this time. I think they're orange, pretty nice. We wanted to go with something that would be nice on the street, but you could also, you know, not ride all boxy and stuff like the stock one does. We did get a good drop. I know some people were like, well, you know, how much did you get? We got about 1.5 inches on the front. It was really nice because, as you guys know, those stock cars come with big wheel gaps. And we did about 1 inch in the back. So it was pretty nice. I really like the stance. We kind of dialed it in, especially with the tire rim combo that we got from Toyo. I think it was real nice to kind of put it all together. We also went with new brakes, new rotors. As you guys know, parts really hard to get. We were kind of buying pieces here and there. American Muscle helped us out when they did have stuff in stock. But the Power Stop series came with new rotors as well as new brakes. And of course, they were an upgrade over the old brakes, a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker. So that was really nice. Too, because of the rims we got, the ZR rims, we were able to get a little bit of kind of visualization of the rotor. So replacing the rotor looks real nice. You know, having that red caliper is really nice. You guys will see it here in the video. So it really kind of rounded off the look that we were looking for. And then too, it helps stop. You know, I would say the stopping is probably improved by about 25-30%. So if you're looking to upgrade your brakes, I definitely recommend Power Stop. Well guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Take care.